Are you thinking about starting your own business, or are you just curious about how different income structures work? My name is Jack Reeves and welcome back to our channel. Today I will be diving into a topic crucial for anyone considering a change in their work life, the pros and cons of employment and self-employment. Firstly, let's talk about employment. As an employee, you will be paid wages under PAYE. This is a system where your employer deducts income tax and national insurance contributions from your wages before you receive them. This simplifies your tax liabilities as your employer handles all the calculations and payments. However, because your employer deals with your taxes, employees have fewer opportunities to claim taxable deductions compared to the self-employed. As your wages are controlled by your employer, you often receive a consistent paycheck except for those on 0-hour contracts. You know exactly how much you'll earn and when you'll get paid, which can help with budgeting and financial planning. However, because your employer controls your wages, your income is often capped by your salary, with bonuses and raises subject to your employer's discretion. But not only are your wages controlled by your employer, so is your schedule. Employers ultimately decide when you work, and you are bound to their policies when you are working. However, some of these policies may benefit you, such as health insurance, pension contributions, and paid annual leave. These perks can significantly boost your overall compensation package. Lastly, working in an organisation provides a structured environment with defined roles and responsibilities. This can lead to clear career progression and opportunities for professional development in addition to job stability. Now, what about being your own boss? When you're self-employed, you are responsible for managing your own taxes. Now, this can be complicated and time-consuming if you're trying to do this yourself. It can be simplified by hiring an accountant to do this for you, though that does come at a financial cost. You or your accountant would need to file a yearly tax return to report your income and any tax liabilities. The benefit of doing this is there are plenty of tax deductions available to you, such as travel, use of home costs, insurances, and much more. To find out exactly what you can claim, make sure to check out our video on this topic linked above. All of this means that you have a much greater responsibility for all aspects of your business, which can be a bit daunting. However, this responsibility also means that you control your own hours and you can work from anywhere you like. Should you want to work remotely from the Caribbean on holiday, there is nothing stopping you. Additionally, you make all the business decisions, give you full control over your career path. There is also nothing stopping you from increasing your earning potential under self-employment, as there is no cap on how much you can earn. Your income is directly tied to your efforts and business success. On the other hand, your income can be inconsistent, especially when starting out. This means there is a higher financial risk. As a self-employed individual, you have no protection against debt or losses, so you would be personally liable if things go sideways. Finally, you need to bear in mind that you get no employer benefits from self-employment. This includes holiday pay, pension contributions, and other benefits. Because of this, you will need to arrange plans like health insurance to make sure you are covered for the unexpected. In summary, both paths have their unique advantages and disadvantages. Being employed provides stability and benefits, while self-employed offers flexibility and independence. The choice ultimately depends on your personal preference and your tolerance to risk. So what's your preference? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.